Section 3, Thomas Paine and Common Sense. As we learned before, we had colonists who were patriots, so they felt that they should be declaring independence from Great Britain. We had colonists who were loyalists, who felt that it was important to stay loyal to the King of England and Great Britain. But there were also colonists who were in the middle, neutralists, who weren't sure what to do. In the mid-1700s, people in Europe were exploring new ideas about science and government and human rights. And one main idea with these thoughts is that people should have freedom and the fair treatment under the law. That was called the Age of Enlightenment. Writers during this time would share their ideas in all sorts of ways, newspaper, pamphlets, and booklets, to spread their ideas among the colonies. There was one great writer, Thomas Paine. He came to the colonies in 1774 and published a pamphlet called Common Sense. Common Sense was a groundbreaking pamphlet for the colonies. This pamphlet helped argue that people should rule themselves rather than be ruled by a king. It said that the colonies could show the world a better form of government. Common Sense was read by many people, and it changed many people's minds because Paine wrote in very simple words that everybody could understand. He explained that, one, parents do not make war upon their families. If we see Great Britain as our parent country, well, parents don't wage war on their children. And he felt that the King of England and Great Britain were killing colonists in Massachusetts, and it was time for the colonists to defeat the British Army. And he felt that it is possible for the colonists to defeat the British Army. More than 500,000 copies of Common Sense were sold, more than any other book during that time. People everywhere read it, including the Continental Army. And George Washington wrote that Common Sense changed many minds. By 1776, people were ready to support the vote for independence, thanks to Thomas Paine and Common Sense, which helped share the ideas across the colonies.